How to become an agent. Log into your eEstate account. Check your e-wallet balance to make sure you have enough funds to purchase your agent license, either $9 monthly or $90 annually. Open the Become an Agent section from the menu or dashboard. Review your employment contract carefully. Select either the monthly or annual agent subscription. Confirm your choice. Next, fill out the agent application form step by step. Personal information, education, best work experience, communication skills, additional information. Uploading documents is optional, unless you plan to become a senior agent and move up the career ladder. Agree to the processing of personal data and click Submit Application. Sign your employment agreement. Congratulations! You are now an eEstate agent. You've been assigned your agent ID and awarded a certificate from the International Association of Digital Realtors, ARDR. You can now start earning commissions and bonuses as part of the eEstate network. eEstate. Invest smarter today.